Welcome back to my channel. Please hit the notification bell and remember to subscribe. See you later. Tonight, midnight.
These are Budgie grapevines.
What do you mean Budgie grapevines? Where's the Budgies? Oh, the grapevine. Oh, there they are. They're eating the... Look, they're eating it. They eat the grapevine leaves. You don't want to go back up? Do you want to go back up there? Look, the green one's having fun on the grapevine. Let me put it back up. Put it up, Annie.
Yeah, I can't.
You put it up. Oh, he's gone. So this is our grapevine aviary. The green one's having, the blue one's having fun. Look at it. There you go. They're not eating the grapes, but they're eating the grape leaves. So the Budgies have got the whole of the space to play in. Indoor grapevine space to fly around and have fun. Tell me when you're ready to come back down. Budgie grapevine. They're pretty well camouflaged. Hardly see them. Isn't it? You'd miss them if you see the leaves rustling. Especially the green one. Go back a few feet and you can hardly see them. Our Budgies indoor grapevine play area. Jungle. They're eating the leaf. Eh? You're having fun up there. So, if you want to give your Budgies space to play in, you got a conservatory, you can put up twigs to start with, or a grapevine growing. We've got it growing through the window here, there's a couple of branches coming in, and that's created this whole grapevine full of grapes in summer that we've been eating. Bunches of grapes. This is about half what's been good, less than half. Oh look, she's cleared them all. All this was full of grapes. And here. She's cut down more than half. What? Where you gone? Yeah, this is about 1/3 the amount of grapes we had growing. I'll leave the budgies to play on the grapevine for a couple of hours. They get to come to the conservatory about roughly once a week. Normally when we let them out it's just in the room where the cage is. But they enjoy this as a good treat. Isn't it? Having fun. Okay, budgies, I'll see you in about half an hour. Windows are closed, doors closed, so you're not gonna fly away. Come on now, Budgie, it's time to go back. It's green Budgie. Blue Budgie. Okay, where's the green one gone? I can see some movement there. There we go. Come on. Come here. Come on. You like flying around? Come on, Blue. You don't want to come? Come on, Green. Time to go. You've had your fun. Yeah. Pretty high up. Bye. We're going. We're leaving you. Not listening. Come on, Green Budgie. Time to go. Come on. Okay then, so Blue Budgie, you're going in. I'll come back for the green one. Since it's... Right, you get on my shoulder. Come on. Where are you gone now? Where you've gone? I can't even see where you are. Oh, you're there. Come here. Oh, here you are. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Yeah, you're having too much fun on the grapevine. You don't want to come down, isn't it? Both of you are there now, right on my shoulder. Come on. Can't see where you are. Oh, there you are. Did you have fun on the grapevine? You didn't want to come down, the green one. Right. Go on. Fly to your cage. Come on. There you go. Come on. Right, come on. There. Budgie's had a nice outing once a week on the grapevine, which they enjoy. They can fly all the way around and across the branches. Well, the green one can. So that's a tip. If you've got a conservatory, you can either grow some kind of grapevine or put some branches up and let them fly around. They'll have a lot of fun. That's so much fun they won't want to come down, isn't it?